Hi there, it's Michael LaFido from the Marketing Luxury Group, top luxury agent here in the Chicagoland market, author of the book Marketing Luxury. And in this video, we're going to talk about how when you, as a homeowner here in the Chicagoland market, when you go to sell, how you have to depersonalize your home when selling. You know, recently we put together a book called Outside the Box. We created and we authored a book called Outside the Box, and it's basically a compilation of past clients that we've helped, and we've helped them neutralize their home to timeless classics. You know, because the way that you live in your home and the way I live in my home, we call that decorating to our personal taste. But when you're dealing with a difficult market, maybe you have a luxury home or a difficult neighborhood that homes aren't selling immediately, there's no multiple offers. What are you doing as a seller to differentiate your home from the competition? We might have a relocation buyer coming to town and they're looking at a bunch of homes. Why should they pick your home versus the competition? So I call it silver platter or white glove service. We want to make sure the agent and the buyer has a better experience coming from our listings than the competition, but we also want to make sure that your home appeals to a larger pool of buyers than a smaller pool of buyers. And one of the ways we can do that is the way we position your home for success. By position, it's much more than staging. It's much more than declutter. It's much more than neutralization. It's really a compilation. Not one of those things always gets it done, but it's a combination of all of those things. And we are the experts when it comes to how to position a home to sell. Again, if you'd like a digital copy of Outside the Box, please shoot us an email. Our contact information is below, and we'd be happy to share that with you. And if you know of anybody that perhaps needs a second opinion, their home's on the market and they're sick and tired of not hearing from their agent, or the only time they hear from their agent is when the agent tells them to lower their price, please have them contact us. Our contact information is below. And if you're thinking about selling yourself, please give us a ring, because you know what? You only have one time to make a first impression. And through our book, Outside the Box, we help you, the sellers, articulate your home and position it differently than the competition. My name is Michael LaFido. Remember, it's not the market, it's the marketing, and go make somebody's day.